Hi Rachel, Christopher Kimball here at home without a bow tie, and I want to show you one of my favorite recipes from our new book, Milk Street Fast and Slow. The title of the book, Fast and Slow, refers to the multi-cooker. Fast means pressure cooker, slow means slow cooker. And one of the benefits of these machines is you can also saute in them as well, unlike the standard pressure cooker. So today we're going to do something very simple, which is to cook beans in one of these machines. We're going to take those beans that are already cooked and make a warm Greek salad. So we have a pound of white beans. These are very large Italian beans. You can use cannellini beans or navy beans are fine. Half teaspoon baking soda. This helps soften the beans. A couple teaspoons of salt go in as well. And then 6 cups of water. And then we're going to set it for high pressure cooking for 5 minutes and press start. Now we add a couple tablespoons of olive oil and set the machine on saute. We'll add the onion, 4 cloves of smashed garlic, a few bay leaves. I have some dried oregano, which goes well with beans, I think, and a teaspoon or so of salt. And we'll just saute that for a few minutes. So the onions are softened now. We'll add back the beans. These have been rinsed under cold water. Put those back in. Soaked essentially. 6 cups more water go in. And we'll set the time to 16 minutes. Beans have finished cooking. We're going to let them sit in the pot for 20 minutes. Let out any remaining steam, or immediately drain them. The trick of this recipe is that when we add raw onions, sliced onions, and garlic, and some vinegar, and the warm beans will temper the flavor of the onions and the garlic. Let that sit for a few minutes and finish off with some fresh herbs, lemon juice, and lemon zest. Now the beans are hot. We're going to add them to the bowl. And now we're going to add the garlic, sliced onions, salt, pepper, and 1/3 of a cup of red wine vinegar. Finally, some lemon zest and juice, half a cup of chopped dill, and about a cup of parsley, not chopped. Toss that in the bowl. This is just absolutely one of the best salads in the world, and it's just beans. Now we'll put it on a plate and try it. So that's it, a simple white bean salad. It starts in a multi-cooker to pre-cook and also cook the beans. Then the warm beans are mixed with the onions and the garlic and the vinegar, really mellows their flavor. Simple salad makes a great main course. Rachel, I hope you get to enjoy it.